The medical chief of staff at the JNF General Hospital responded again to persons who have been demanding testing for COVID-19 in the entire population of St. Kitts and Nevis. Dr. Cameron Wilkinson described the call as impractical. Instead, he called on citizens and residents not to be complacent and to follow the recommended guidelines to reduce the risk of transmitting or getting the highly infectious coronavirus. However, he maintained that the current strategy of health authorities in St. Kitts and Nevis is the most practical means of addressing the COVID-19 pandemic locally, adding that the strategy is based on guidelines issued by the World Health Organization.
There have been some who've been saying that we need to test. And I said, in the ideal situation, I addressed this before, one can say, yes, test the entire population, but that is not practical. And what we do, we follow the World Health Organization and other reputable institutions. And I just want to remind you what the World Health Organization says. The World Health Organization advises that we find every case, we isolate every case, we test every case, we care for every case, and we trace and quarantine every contact. And we educate, engage, and empower our people. But to be clear, the World Health Organization advice is to find and test every suspected case, but not to test every single person in the population. And so we are following the World Health Organization and making sure that we test every suspected case and also the contacts.
Dr. Wilkinson said the circumstances require that everyone is prepared to sacrifice normal liberties and to do their part to prevent the community transmission of the virus. Glenn Bart, SKN Newsline.